Creating bet slips for the New Jersey Pick-3 is easy using this form. Just make the same selections you would as if you were filling out paper bet slips. Drawing time, multi-draw. You can enter your own numbers, or you can create quick picks using the selections in the purple box. Let's talk about entering your numbers first. You can just enter your numbers by typing them into the ticket data box. So, say you wanted to play 1, 2, 3, and you want to play it straight, you'd use S. 50-cent bet is 0.5, and say you wanted an instant match, you put I. Say you wanted to play 3, 2, 1, straight and boxed, you'd use SB for $1. Say you wanted to play front pair, 3 and 2, you'd enter an X for the third number, and FP for front pair. The type of bet has to be lowercase, and of course you need an amount. Let's call that 50 cents. Say you wanted to wheel 2, 3, 4. Well, you need a space between each one. 2, 3, 4. And WHL for wheel, and for 50 cents. If you wanted the back pair, you'd enter X for the first number, and then 2 digits, and BP for back pair, and of course the amount you want to bet. Once you're done entering your selections, click on Create Bet Slips, and your PDF will be created. The first page of your PDF contains important information and information about the Pick-3, which is on the back of the actual printed bet slip. The next page is the ticket number page. At the top is a summary of your bets, the date that you created the PDF, how you bet, and also the total cost for all your tickets. Then you'll notice your ticket selections are organized by bet slip. The pages following this are the bet slip pages. To print the bet slips, you must print them in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on Print. Under Comments and Forms, select Document. Page scaling set to none, and auto rotate and center not checked. Once your bet slips are printed, you want to cut carefully along the lines at the top and bottom of the bet slips. You can also paste your numbers in the ticket data box from a Microsoft Word document, a text file, or an Excel spreadsheet. Let's do that now. Let me clear this ticket data box, and down here I have a Word document that has the numbers that I would like to play in the Pick-3 that I've already typed in here, and they're all separated by spaces. I will select all, copy, go into the ticket data box, right click, and paste, and my numbers will appear in the ticket data box. Then click on Create Bet Slips, and the PDF is created. In the full page view, you can see the first page are instructions, second page, the bet slips, all tickets organized by bet slips, and the following pages are the bet slips themselves. 3 bet slips per page. Again, when you print them out, cut them along the lines that separate them very carefully. Now let's paste in data from an Excel file. First, I'm going to highlight everything and delete the numbers in the ticket data box. Here's an Excel file I have that has my ticket selections. I will highlight the numbers, click Copy, go back to the ticket data box, right click, and paste. Now you'll notice that the space between each of these numbers is greater than it was before, and that's because the separator between each number is a tab. Everything has to be separated by either spaces or tabs. Now tabs are larger than spaces, so it's going to cause the ticket data to wrap inside this ticket data box. And that's okay. As long as the ticket data is correct, everything will be fine. So this is the first bet, this is the second bet. Click on Create Bet Slips, and the PDF will be created. Now let's talk about quick picks. I'm going to go into the ticket data box and delete everything. Everything for quick picks is in this purple box. First, pick how many quick picks you want. Let's say 15. Then you have to make selections for how you want your quick picks to be picked. Do you want them to be all straight, boxed, wheel, front pair, back pair, split pair? Let's say I want them all front pair, and I want to spend $1 per ticket, and you can't have instant match with front pair bets. If you try, you still won't get it. You click on the Get button, and there they are, randomly selected. Every time you click on the Get button, you will get 15 new quick picks. Let's say we want to have straight and boxed 50-cent bets with instant match. Click on the Get, and there they are. Once you are satisfied with the numbers that you're using, then you can just click on Create Bet Slips, and your Bet Slips PDF will be created. Now here's a little trick. Say you want to mix up your quick picks and have all kinds of different random selections. Go into Quick Pick box and select straight and boxed, and turn off instant match. Then click on the Get button, and there they are. What we can do now is, this is straight and boxed, but I can manually change this and say, well, I want to play that boxed, and I want to play that with instant match. This one, let's keep that straight and boxed, and how about we make this, front pair, and I'll just say, okay, to make that front pair, I need an X here. I'll say, well, I want to wheel this one, and I want to bet $1. And I want that one to be instant match. And I want back pair on this, so I'll make this back pair, and I need to put an X here for back pair. And these are the numbers I want to play. Once you're done making those adjustments, click Create Bet Slips, and your PDF will be created. Now it's important that you save all the numbers that you play so we can compare those numbers to the winning numbers later on. So go back to your ticket data box, select all, right-click, select copy, then go into a text file or a Word document that's empty, create a new one like this one, it's completely empty, and paste your ticket selections there. And then save this so you can get it later on. Just click Save in your document library, and I would name it something like New Jersey Pick-3, and then the date that you're playing these, and say 2011 3/25, and maybe, evening, EVE for evening, and click Save. And now you'll be able to retrieve these later on and compare them to the winning numbers. That's all there is to it. If you have any problems or questions, go to the top of every page and you'll find a support link. Click on that and let us know your question. Otherwise, good luck, and be sure to let us know when you win.